In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job board in Wix. Whether you're looking to feature job listings for your company or provide a centralized location for job seekers, adding a job board to your site can be both a practical and user-friendly solution. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of making this addition to your Wix site. To get started, you'll first need to open your Wix editor or head into your Wix dashboard. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account and open the specific site you want to enhance with a job board. It's important to ensure you're working within the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites, as this will prevent unnecessary confusion later on. Once you're in the right place, direct your attention to the App Market. You can find the App Market within your dashboard or editor, typically labeled as App Market or Add Apps. This is where Wix stores a plethora of applications that extend the functionality of your website, turning it into a more comprehensive tool for your needs. In the App Market, use the search bar to look for Job Board by POWR. POWR is a trusted provider of various apps, and their job board application is designed to seamlessly integrate into Wix, providing a clean, professional look and user experience. By typing its name into the search field, you should quickly find the app you're looking for. After locating the job board by POWR, the next step is to add it to your site. You'll see an option that says Add to Site. Go ahead and click on this. Doing so will initiate the installation process, effectively inserting the job board widget or element directly into your web page. It's a straightforward integration designed to fit easily into your existing page layout. Now your job board is part of your website. Feel free to customize the job board to suit your exact needs. You can tailor it with company-specific branding, position categories, or even tailor its layout to better fit the design aesthetic of your site. Explore these customization options to ensure it aligns with your brand identity and provides the best user experience for your visitors. Adding a job board can significantly enhance your website by offering valuable resources and opportunities. As you've seen, getting this set up in Wix is a breeze. With just a few simple steps, you've incorporated a functional job board into your site. Don't forget to regularly update and maintain your listings to keep it active and useful. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Wix website.